Hello guys, I'm Setiabudi, and in this tutorial I'm going to give you an experience to create a Triad fight game where there's a matchstick man who fights like this. This is a bit in the future. You can press left and you can press right, and then when you press spacebar you can do punching, and when you press nothing there's still an animation like this. Okay, now if you want to download the Scratch desktop software to make the game, you can go to this link, and as this one is the part 1, it's about drawing character and grouping. First we draw, then we do animation, and then we do an interaction with keyboard, left, right, and spacebar. But that one is much later on. So now let's start drawing character and also to do grouping the pictures. Let's go! So you see, the first one is the scratch cat. It's always showing there, but I'm going to remove it. And this is the code side, and this is the sprite side, and I'm going to create a sprite by drawing the matchstick man first. So this is the first sprite. I'm going to rename it after me, David Setiabudi. This is me, and I'm going to choose black color, a real black, okay, which is 000. So sometimes it's similar black, okay, but it's different. Although human eye sees it's the same black, but it's a different one. So I'm going to use a pure black. Okay, so this is the face. Okay, when you draw a face, after you draw the face and you are sure, okay, then you can color it with white color. I'm going to make it black and white color game. So I'm going to make this to the backward. Okay guys, you see it's separated like this. It's really dangerous when you create a game and you want to do animation. Sometimes this can be separated. So in order to do that, you need to select all of this, and then please do grouping. So when you move, everything is moved. Okay, don't forget to group this. And then the next one is the body. This is the body side. Of course, it's a matchstick man, so it's skinny. And this one is one group. Oops. This is one group of body. Oh, it's only one piece, so you cannot group it. This is one piece, and then this is another piece. When you select it, it becomes one. So I want to make it a group and a group. Okay, This one is one group, and I'm going to make a tie for this. Of course, this one is a triad fight, right? Make it gray a bit. Whoops. Okay, choosing gray color as the tie. You need to zoom a bit and clean this up. Okay, so this one needs to be grouped and group. Now the punches. Because if it's only one piece, later on I will have troubles to move them. I hope it's not joining. Yes, it's not joining. Nice. And now I need to create the punches. Oh, it's become one. Now the punches, I need to draw it separately. Nice. I'm going to color it with white color. Okay, oops. Okay, this one is one group. Okay, I'm going to make this into two, so I'm going to copy it and paste. This one going to the backward. This one goes to the backward too. Since this one, I'm going to ungroup it first, then I'm going to draw some, because this is on the right hand, I mean the left hand. See, I'm going to make it to go to the backward. Nice. And don't forget to group it. There you go. So later on we can move one by one. Now for the foot, I think I'm going to use this one as the foot too. Copy and paste. And the second one, copy, paste. And then paste again. But I'm going to improve some with the footworks, the shoe. I'm going to put some highlights. Wait. Okay, and maybe for the foot too. Okay, so after the highlights, I'm going to group it. Okay, you see, this one is one group, so I'm going to put this one without this as a group. Nice. So the next one, I just need to copy and paste. Ungroup. I think I'm going to erase this and adding the foot. Make it 10 as before. And the highlight, you just need to take the color picker, get this color, the gray one, and then there you go. Done. This is the drawing part. For the character. Okay, the next one I'm going to continue the tutorial. For the second one is the animation. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe.